Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to use private MAC address on Apple Watch. Do you frequently connect to multiple Wi-Fi networks from your Apple Watch, say at work, school, coffee shops or other networks that aren't yours? If so, you may want to safeguard your privacy by using private MAC addresses for the public Wi-Fi networks you connect to. You can use a feature to randomize the MAC hardware address of your Apple Watch when connecting to Wi-Fi networks. That all being said, it's time to learn how to use private MAC address on Apple Watch the right way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, make sure that your Apple Watch has been updated to watchOS 7 or later. Additionally, your paired iPhone must also be running iOS 14 or later. Then, to get going, press the digital crown on your Apple Watch to access the home screen and then launch the Settings app to proceed. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi located right below Cellular. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi network that your Apple Watch is currently connected to. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will find the private address feature. Tap on the toggle to enable it. Before your Apple Watch turns on private address, you will be warned that your device will temporarily disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. Tap on disconnect to confirm. That's it. Your Apple Watch will now reconnect to the Wi-Fi network using a new private Wi-Fi address. It's worth pointing out that each time you disable and re-enable the private MAC address feature, a new Wi-Fi address will be used with the network. This is why you are prompted to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Resetting the network settings on your device will also change the private Wi-Fi address it uses for the connection. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can use private MAC address on your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy Apple Watch tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.